Hi everyone, it's Grace. Today I'm showing you how to make the Jalu pants, no pattern needed. I picked satin because it's such a perfect fabric for the season. Let's get started. Since mine is 16 inches wide, I'll fold it crosswise. Mark the selvage edge and the top fold. Then draw the pant panel, 18 by 42 inches. You can make it longer or shorter depending on your style. From the waistline, mark 12 inches down for the crotch line. Feel free to adjust it higher or lower to suit your fit. Extend it about 3 inches out, then mark the crotch point. You can add a little more or less here depending on your body shape. From the waistline, mark 8 inches down for the hip line. To make the crotch curve, connect the hip line to the crotch point. Here's a little tip. You can narrow your pants, but still keep those pretty gathers. Or if you like a cleaner look, try the fitted version without gathers. Now, let's repeat the same steps for the other pant panel. Fold the fabric lengthwise, then draw the waistband. It's 17.5 inches long and 3.5 inches wide. Now, fold the fabric crosswise, draw the straps and pockets. Here are all the pieces we've cut: 4 pant panels, 2 waistbands, 2 straps, and 4 pockets. Attach pockets. Join the pant panels. Place the front and back panels right-sided together, matching the pocket edges. Sew down the side seam, except for the pocket opening. Now both legs are connected. It's starting to look like pants. Attach the waistband. Press the seam allowance down toward the pants, then add a top stitch to secure it. There are two ways to finish the straps. One way is to double fold the edges and stitch. The other way is to sew them like a tube and turn them inside out using a string. For the tube style straps, take your time when pulling the string. Gently pull it through. Little by little, it will come out in the end. Insert the straps. Using a safety pin or a loop turner, thread the Jalu straps through the waistband, starting and ending at the same spot. Then take the other strap and thread it from the opposite side the same way. That's how the Jalu waistband works. Finish up. To finish up, hem the bottom edges. I made a 3-inch hem allowance, but that's totally up to you. This time, I used the hand stitches because I didn't want the stitch line to show on the fabric. I used a thin thread for this fine material, but you can also finish it with your sewing machine if you prefer. All done. These are my Jalu pants. Easy to make, comfortable to wear, and full of charm. Best of all, they fold up neatly, making them perfect for storing or traveling. Of course, I had to try on the pair I made today and see how they look in the mirror. And before I wrap up, I wanted to celebrate with you. 35K followers. It's amazing to see that big number. Thank you so much for being part of my Jalu journey.